friends, on today's episode, we're making maple bacon cupcake. Did I say that right? We're going to start our recipe by cooking our bacon first. Use your preferred method. Today, I'm baking it in the oven. Now to do that, just line a baking sheet with foil or parchment and place a single layer of bacon on a tray and bake on 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. There are a lot of factors to baking your bacon, such as thickness and your favorite level of crispiness. So definitely keep an eye on it because it can go from good to bad real quick. Since these are going on cupcakes, I would err on the side of more crispy than chewy. Once it's cooked to your liking, just layer them on a paper towel to drain and soak up any excess grease and fat. Now for the next part of our recipe, we are going to make our cupcakes. And we're going to start with a cake mix. I know. How dare I? But now you don't have to do this. You can make your recipe completely from scratch. We're just gonna doctor this up a little bit and make it a little easier on ourselves. Okay, so I've got 1 box of yellow cake mix. To this, we're gonna add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of flour, and the recipe will be in the description, so all you got to do is click down there. Salt, and then we're just going to give this a little mix before we add all of our wet ingredients. Okay, now we've got our milk, and we're just adding everything at one time. We have melted butter, make a mess if you will, and then we've got sour cream, okay, now we're gonna just turn this on just for a second. Now I want to crack 4 eggs. Okay, and then we're going to just add these one at a time. Really, it's all at a time because they're all together. Whatever. You know what I mean. Then I'm also going to add a teaspoon of maple extract. Always make sure to scrape your bowl. All right. And I think that's good. You don't have to go crazy. The birds outside are so loud. I don't know if y'all can hear that through the camera. Now for our cupcakes. Ugh, got this stuff everywhere. Now this is gonna make a lot of cupcakes, but I'm just gonna do a dozen and then I'll save the batter for something else. I have my blue scoop. You know this is my favorite if you've watched more than one of my videos. And then we're just gonna scoop each one of these in here. Now I'm just gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to probably about 20 minutes. Let me see, actually. I don't even know. I'll put it in the thing. All right, next on our agenda, we are going to make our maple buttercream for our cupcakes. We need 1 cup of butter and you want it softened. So if your butter is not soft, you can just pop it in the microwave for 10-15 seconds. You don't want it melted. All right, we've got our butter and then we need a pound of powdered sugar. And I'm gonna weigh it out because that's easier for me. So I just zeroed my scale. Now, if your powdered sugar is lumpy, make sure that you give it a good sift. All right. All right, we need half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Woo. And then I want about a teaspoon of maple extract. Okay, let's give it a look. Give it a look-see. I don't have my apron on today, which is very dangerous because I am a messy cook. Okay, that's good. Now I don't want to add too much maple extract because I am going to drizzle a little bit of maple syrup over the top, but that just adds to the maple goodness. Okay, so our frosting is done. We're just waiting for our cupcakes to cool down enough to where we can ice them. Okay, our cupcakes have come out of the oven. They're looking gorgeous. Look at that, like beautiful. Okay, so I'm just chopping my bacon up into small little pieces. Again, cook your bacon however you like. So if you like it super crunchy, cook it super crunchy. Now, since it's going on cupcakes, I probably would not do it soft, you know? Again, I probably would do probably should have cooked it a touch longer, but sometimes you leave it in the oven and it just goes from good to bad in a hurry. All right, so I'm gonna set that aside for this cute little platter. And I'm just gonna put my little cupcakes on there. Cute. All right, now, I've showed you this before. This is just our piping bag. This is an 18-inch bag, and I have an Ateco 845. It's just a star tip. So we're just gonna plunge that into our bag. I've already cut the tip off because as long as you're not doing like buttercream, you can wash your bags. So that's what I usually do. If I'm doing something that it's not real greasy. Sometimes if you put buttercream in here and then you try to wash it out, it just like never gets not greasy. So you take your bag, create the collar. I like to just fold my tip up, and this just keeps the icing from going all over the place when you put it in the cup. It's just an extra hand. So that's what we're doing. All right, and then my buttercream is kind of gotten a little stiff on me here. Then a little stir. And then I'm just pushing all that in there. I can smell that maple. It smells so good. Okay. And then by creating that collar, you don't have icing all over the ends of your bag. How great is that? Okay, and then we're just gonna squeeze from the back of the bag into the front. Now when you're icing your cupcakes, you don't squeeze down here. You wanna squeeze from the back. And then I like to twist it real good and then put that in my hand. And then I like to start in the middle and then go counterclockwise. So start in the middle. You do it however you want. We're just making little rosettes here. Hopefully I have enough icing for these cupcakes. Oh, okay. You know what, this little one, he's gonna be ugly. He's gonna be my little taste test. So you just eat this one. Okay, so I've got my bacon. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top. Just gonna, now this would be fun to have for like a brunch, because it's kind of like a breakfasty kind of thing. Like if you're doing a brunch themed party or something like that. Okay, I think that's good. Now, I'm just gonna take like a spoon, and then all this is pure maple syrup. And I'm just gonna just drizzle this on my cupcakes. You don't need a ton, just a little bit. And having that little star tip, it just kind of flows into the little crevices. Makes it look cute. And we all like cute things, right? Okay. All right. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Love it. Love this. Okay, we're gonna give our cupcakes a little try. This is our little ugly one. Oopsies. There's no pretty way to eat a cupcake, so this is how I do it. It literally tastes like pancakes. You got the salty from the bacon, the sweetness from everything else, but this would be a great brunch treat for your dad. It kind of combines bacon and cupcakes, right? What guy wouldn't love that? So anyway, I hope you like it. I hope you make it. Again, the recipe and all that will be in the description. And we will see y'all next week. Bye, guys. Oh, so good. We're making maple bacon cupcake. That's like a tongue twister. Mate.